Once you've decided what shape that you want your centerpiece to look like, and we're doing this on a dining room table, you need to take a look around the room and see what kind of style you want it to be done in. If you wanted something that's very traditional, then that's the type of flowers, the container that you would be making. If you want something that's very tropical or oriental looking, then you need to look for those flowers as well. And that'll help you to make that centerpiece stand out. You have to remember that usually when you walk into a dining room, if you're doing a table centerpiece, that's the first thing that people look at, and you want it to carry throughout and blend in, not fight with everything else that's in the room. So you need to think about the style, especially if you're going into a dining room. If you're going into a kitchen, then you need to do a little bit more relaxed. You could do something that's more kitchen-y and fun and have a lot of different products in it that are not flower. So the next thing you need to do once you come up with a size is to think of a style, whether it's a formal or non-formal or casual size.